I'm in my room in Lisbon, Portugal. I'm at a place called Chiado Arty Flats. It's a really cute boutique hotel. I think I read about it on a blog somewhere and I was like, I need to stay here. It's a really cute little place and I love the decor. I actually checked in this morning at 7:30, but since it was so early, the room wasn't ready yet. So I left my luggage with them and I went out to go explore a bit. I was gonna come back in a few hours, but I ended up going on this free walking tour and met this really cool chick named Helen, and we were both solo travelers, so we decided to explore a little bit more of Lisbon together. So we went to Belém and had like the famous custard tarts. Amazing. I see what the hype is all about. But yeah, we ended up spending the entire day together, and now it's 9:30 at night and I am exhausted. But it was so much fun hanging out with her and so glad I had a travel companion exploring Lisbon. So now it's 9:30 and I'm finally exploring my room and just wanted to give you a little tour. So here is my bed. Looks nice and comfy. I'm really excited to get there and relax. Another little bed here, but it's also a couch. And they have a cool looking nightstand, light up nightstand. And over here, TV. Another nightstand over here with a phone to call them if I needed anything. Also have a little kitchen. They have a little stove. And they said everything on the counter is free. So got some Nespresso here. We'll definitely have that tomorrow morning. Got a little fridge. They also have cups up here and some dishes, some silverware down here, more utensils, and then rubbish is what they call it, not garbage, and a sink. Let's see, we got these cute little desserts here and a nice little dining table. And I love this thing they use as their decoration. I don't know what that's called. It's like a big garbage can or some kind of like oil tank. But I really like it. And in here in the bathroom, they have the same thing going on. And they made this into a sink. How cool is that? And then they got their bidet here. I've never used that. And a toilet. Lots of towels, and here's the shower over here. Really need to take a shower. And here's all the toiletries. So yeah, really loving this room. I love how colorful it is. Just makes me happy. So that was a little tour of this room. I am really looking forward to relaxing on my bed and enjoying the room a little bit. But yeah, I highly recommend this place. It's in a great area. They have a great staff. They're so nice and accommodating, very friendly. And I'm so exhausted. I don't know if you can tell. And I really need to get to bed, but just wanted to give you a little tour of this cute little boutique hotel. Good morning. I am up super early at 6:30. I woke up at 5:30 and I wanted to get out by like 6:15 because sunrise was at 6:20, but obviously I didn't make it. It was a struggle getting up this morning because yesterday was such a long day and I was so tired. I went to bed late. Anyway, I got up and feeling refreshed, a little bit more energized, and gonna go explore Lisbon a little bit more before I head down south. But yeah, I just wanted to say, this hotel was really nice. I slept really well. I didn't hear any noise. Let's see, the shower was really good. The pressure was right on point. Temperature, perfect. They have this water, I noticed. This is like free, but it's like their local water, and I like how they have their logo on there. I thought it looks like vodka, but it's actually water. So I took some of that this morning. So yeah, some things that I forgot to mention yesterday because I was so tired. They have plenty of outlets. I always love a hotel that has a lot of outlets. There was like so many that I missed some. There was like, one in like every corner, or actually even multiple in every corner, so that was really nice. The towels are really lush and soft. Very large towels too, and they give you plenty of towels. You get free Wi-Fi here, worked really fast. And they also have a wine bar downstairs, like right next to the reception area. It's a really cute little wine bar. I'm not gonna make it, but if you are here and have some time, definitely stop by. It was really cute. Oh, and they said there's like a gelato place right next door from here too, and I was about to go there yesterday, but the receptionist was like, no, you don't wanna go there because I heard about how they make their gelato, and he didn't go into the details, but he was like, just don't go there. So that's some advice for you. Don't go to the gelato place right next door from Chiado Arty Flats. Oh, also last night I was saying Chiado Artsy Flats, but it's actually Chiado Arty Flats. So again, I was tired, I'm still tired. And they have this thing where it was a doorbell system, but they had to turn it or disconnect it because there's a bunch of drunk people, I guess, ringing all the time. So they're like, nope, no more. Oh, and they turn on all the lights with your card so they can save energy. All right, so that's a little bit more of this cute hotel. I love it even more from last night since I was using it more this morning. But yeah, definitely stay here at Chiado Arty Flats, and you'll really enjoy your stay.